The program is designed to prepare you for the real world challenges. For example, you will learn how to use R and Python for programming. The essential tools of data science are applying machine learning and AI to identify patterns and make interpretations about the data. The big data analytic tools are being taught so that we can handle large and complex data efficiently. Business integration modules include economics and management fundamentals to understand the big picture. Likewise, business intelligence tools where data meets decision making and other real world case studies that brings everything together. There's also the Capstone Project, where everything you have learned comes together. For example, working on a supply chain optimization using machine learning, where you will learn how to use these tools to solve the real world industrial problems.